Hello and welcome to Adding Mixed Fractions. So here the question states, add the mixed fractions and simplify your answer. So let's add these together and work these out. Now, first of all, we've got mixed fractions here. Now, what we need to do is to turn them into improper or proper fractions and then complete the addition that we have on the other side. So what likely we can do in this case is two different particular techniques. So first of all, what we can do is we'll just add these two main numbers together, 5 add 3, which is going to be 8. That leaves us with 3 over 4 plus 1 over 12. Now, both the denominators are the bottom numbers, are different from each other, which means we need to find one common denominator where both 4 and 12 can actually divide into. What you could do is you could do 4 times 12, which is 48, and use 48 as a common denominator for both sides. Or you can find another number where both 4 and 12, a bigger number, where both 4 and 12 could actually go into or divide into. So in this case, if we were to turn it into 12, turn both of these numbers into 12, 12 goes into 12 once. So we times the top number by 1 as well, which is 1 times 1 is 1. And then 4 goes into 12 3 times. So we times the top number by 3 as well, because 4 times 3 is 12 and 3 times 3 is 9. So in this case, we have the answer 10 over 12. But 10 over 12 could be simplified further. So which number can divide into 10 and 12? So 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 12 6 times, which makes the answer 5 over 6. And don't forget to add the main number, 8 5 over 6 at the front. So this is one particular way that you can work this out. The other particular way is to turn the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So improper fraction means that the top number is heavier or bigger than the bottom number. So in this case, same thing. Let's just do this again. So 4 times 5. So in this case, let's just rub this out quickly, make it easier to understand. So we multiply these two numbers together. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then we add the top number. So 20 add 3 is 23. And the bottom number stays the same. Exactly the same thing here. So 12 multiplied by 3, which is 36, and then add the top number, which is 37, and the bottom number denominator stays exactly the same. So we have 23 over 4 plus 37 over 12. Now again, we need to find the common denominator where both 12 and 4 can go into. We can do 12 times 4 is 48. We can use that, or we can just use a simple one, just a big number where both these numbers can go into. So let's turn it into 12 like we did before. So 12 goes into 12 once, times the top number by 1 as well, which is 37. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12, times the top number 23 by 3 as well. So that comes to 20, 40, 60, 69. And that's 69 plus 37 over 12. So if you just do 69 plus 37 here and work this out, so 9 add 7, which will give us 16. 1 is carried forward, 6 add 3 is 9, add 1 is 106. So let's just put that together, 106, and the denominator will be 12, but we need to actually simplify this. So what number can go, so 2 can go into 12 and 106. Let's just try that first of all. 2 goes into 12 6 times. And how many times can 2 actually go into 106? So 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So the answer is 53 over 6. Can 3 divide into 53 and 6? No, it quite can't. Can 2 divide into their prime number? No, it can't. So let's just, 53 over 6 is our answer, but we still need to turn it into a mixed fraction, because at the moment it's an improper fraction, which means that it's top heavy. So how many times can 6 go into 53? So 6 can divide into 53 8 times, because 8 times 6 is 48. Now, what's the remainder? So from 48, count up to 53. So 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. The remainder is 5. 5 goes at the top. And the denominator will always stay the same, and it will be 6. So this way, we've got exactly the same answer, 8, 5 over 6. So both of these answers correspond to each other. So you can use either technique, whichever technique you find easier. If you want, you can rewind back or go back into this recording and watch this particular technique again, just to get an idea of how to work out adding fractions, adding mixed fractions. Good luck with these.